Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights to proceed. Sign into that account now. First, disable Windows Smart Screen temporarily so it stops blocking installers. Go to Settings, open App and Browser Control, choose to turn it off for installers. Once done, find the blocked applications. EXE file in File Explorer. Right-click, choose Properties, and if there is an unblocked checkbox, check it and apply. These steps remove immediate barriers, making the installer reachable and editable. Now, elevate permissions explicitly by right-clicking the installer and choosing Run as administrator. Doing this grants installer the rights it needs to write system files. If group policy enforcement blocks it, open gpedit. MSC and navigate to administrative templates for Smart Screen or App Locker and adjust rules. Make sure corporate policy allows this binary. Also inspect the file's digital signature in Properties. If valid, move the file to your user downloads folder and retry, since network paths or restricted folders can trigger blocks. Finish by re-enabling Smart Screen so your system stays protected. Turn it back on under App and Browser Control. Then run the installed app and confirm functionality. If it fails, compute the file's hash and either add an exception in group policy or give the hash to IT for whitelisting, because centralized filters often use hashes. If immediate unblock is needed, open PowerShell as admin and run unblock file on the exe, then retry Run as administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.